Alright, so here I'm going to show you how to set up your software. In this case, I'm using EasyCAD to set up your business card to be used in the jigs that I make. Alright, so here's the finished result that you'll want to have. So I'll go backwards and then show you how to get here. So let's delete some of this things here, and then I'll center this back up. So this is probably maybe where you start. Once you finish your design, you might have something like this. Okay, so what you want to have in order to, or what you'd like to do here to have two of these that matches up with the jig is we need to offset our existing design. So I'll go over here, modify, transform. I've already got that one selected, and the amount that we want to transfer in the Y direction is 62.125 millimeters. We'll copy that, and we're done with that. Okay, let's select our two business cards and center them up. So essentially you're done here, but in order to help line up your business card jig on your table, it could be helpful to have a square box to light up. So we'll make a box, and the size of our box is 86 in the X. Oh, make sure this is unlocked. It is. And 116 in the Y. There we go. And we'll just center that up. I like to have everything on working off center. Just easier that way. So there you go. That's as easy as that. Now, this jig is designed to work with any size lens, but it will work all the way down to the 110 lens. And that's what this was designed for, so that I can do as much as possible on that lens, which is usually the default lens that most fiber lasers come with. Alright, so over at the laser, you can see the square box there that we just drew. That's going to help us line up our laser. So I'm going to show you here how to go about doing that. So here what we have is the business card jig on top of my fixture jig that I use for either the rotary attachment, or I also use it in this scenario here where I can slide it on the one axis to line it up. As you can see now, it's lined up. I'm just going to tighten that down. And then in the opposite axis, I can slide the business card jig over until it's lined up perfectly. And then I'll tighten that one down. As you can see I'm doing here. There you go. So I can put in the cards. You can see how easy that is to just slide the cards in. Now another thing you can do is you can do two at a time, or you can flip one over if you're doing a two-sided card and then put in a new blank one, as I'm trying to show here. So hopefully that helps show you how to line up your business card jig and get you going on making lots of business cards. I almost forgot to mention these 6 screw holes here that take the screws that will then hold your card down from curling while it's being cut or being engraved. To take it out, just gotta push in the two sides, ideally at the same time, but my camera's in the way. There we go. And it's done. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope this will help you get going with your business cards. Thank you.